Hey guys, today I'm going to be bleaching my roots and then coloring it. It took me a while to get the color out of my hair so I could finally bleach my roots. I'm going to be using the Blonde Me, and yes, I'm using 40 volume developer. I know some of you before have told me that's way too strong, but honestly, yes, it can be, but the 30 doesn't quite get my hair light enough to be able to put colors on it and make it really vibrant. So that's what I'm using today.
Better to forget her. Certain people made for running. Think I need you more than let you know I'm bored and tell me this means more than nothing. All you see is black roses. Could have been, but that's hoping. Don't ask for something more than yours. All you see is black roses. Could have been, but that's hoping. Don't ask for something more than yours. All you see is black roses. Want to think I love you, but I just love the high, and I lie here while you lie to her. Think I know you better, better to forget her. Certain people made for running. Think I need you more than let you know I'm bored and tell me this means more than nothing. All you see is black roses. Could have been, but that's hoping. Don't ask for something more than yours. All you see is black roses. Could have been, but that's hoping. Don't ask for something more than yours. All you see is black roses. Don't ask for something more than yours. All you see is black
Been wasting too much time just wishing I was young, when causing havoc automatically was fun. And yeah, I can't deny the drinking, getting high. It was cool, but now I'm moving on. No, I can't keep living in the past, and I can't keep missing all the things I used to do, 'cause it all goes by way too.
Now that I'm finished applying the bleach to my roots, I'm just going to be adding some clarifying shampoo to the bleach mixture and make a bleach bath to try and remove just a little bit of the color that's been left behind.
Things I used to do, 'cause it all goes by way too fast. And if you blink, you might just miss it, so we ain't got no time to lose. If you blink, you might just miss it. Got no time to lose. If you blink, you might just miss it, so we ain't got no time to lose. I never noticed how the stars light up the
Now that I'm done applying that all over my hair, I'm going to let it sit for about 10 minutes and I'm going to wrap it up to make sure to incubate the heat. This makes it process a little bit faster. And there my hair is after the bleach bath and bleaching my roots. Now for the fun part. I'm going to be putting Phantom Green on my hair by Arctic Fox. I am so excited about this color, you guys. It was between a red and this green, and honestly I'm glad I went with the green, or I'm glad that you guys voted for the green instead of the red, because I don't think the red would look very good with all that leftover blue and green and purple that's underneath this color.
Lying down on the grass, our parents would ask, what do you wanna be when you grow up? And then we'd say something cute like, I want to be an astronaut. Your time lies and waits for no one. You find yourselves asking, what do I want in life? But there are always things that we love and things that we hate. It's just how it works. So if we could choose, why would we do something we don't like? Instead, we should go and do the things we enjoy in life. Cause then, when we're old, we can look back and remember that this is how we all find ourselves and move onwards. As seasons change, we grow in many ways, and there may be problems that arise, but we'll be just fine and okay, because we know that we can be happy if we just remember that if we could choose, why would we do something we don't like? Instead, we should go and do the things we enjoy in life. Cause then, when we're old, we can look back and remember that this is how we all found ourselves and moved onwards.
Since I had some dye left over, I got as much as I could on my hair without it dripping out, and then my daughter really wanted me to dye her hair, so I'm adding conditioner. She's so excited. And I'm just applying it all over her hair. I only left it in her hair for about 20 minutes, and I left it in mine for about an hour.
Fix it, can't fix this. Admit what we're dying for. Just stay. Fighting fire with fire. I need to bring this heart to life. Love me to life. Love me to life. Love me to
I am so excited with how this turned out, you guys. Like, I could not be happier with this color. So tell me what you guys think in the comments below. If you like it or hate it, please don't forget to leave a thumbs up. And if you have not already, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching, guys. Bye.
think I know you better to forget her.